Choosing the right egg incubator is essential for successful hatching, but not all machines deliver consistent results. Poor temperature control, uneven humidity, and manual turning can reduce hatch rates and waste time. A good incubator should provide stable conditions, automatic features, and easy monitoring. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best egg incubators you can buy right now. Perfect for beginners, hobby farmers, and small-scale poultry setups. We reviewed features, performance, and user feedback to build this list. Check the description for links and latest prices. Let's get started. Number 5. HOWOOlUA 48 Egg Incubator. The HOWOOlUA 48 Egg Incubator is a high-capacity option designed for efficient and reliable hatching. It features automatic temperature and humidity control, helping maintain ideal conditions without constant adjustment. The built-in auto egg turner ensures even incubation, improving hatch success rates. An LED candling feature allows you to monitor egg development easily. With its digital display and user-friendly design, this incubator is perfect for farmers and hobbyists who need a larger, smart hatching solution.
Number 4. ORACCHI Automatic Egg Incubator. The ORACCHI Egg Incubator offers intelligent control for consistent and hassle-free hatching. It includes automatic egg turning and humidity management, reducing manual effort. The system adjusts temperature automatically to keep conditions stable throughout the incubation cycle. Its compact and efficient design makes it suitable for home use or small poultry setups. With reliable performance and simple operation, this incubator is ideal for beginners looking for a dependable and easy-to-use machine.
Number 3. 12-Egg Automatic Incubator. This 12-egg incubator is a versatile and feature-packed option for small-scale hatching. It includes automatic egg turning, precise temperature control, and a built-in egg candler for monitoring development. The auto water refill system helps maintain proper humidity levels without frequent checks. Suitable for chicken, duck, and quail eggs, it offers flexibility for different poultry types. Compact yet efficient, this incubator is perfect for hobbyists who want reliable performance with minimal effort. Number 2. 10-Egg Intelligent Incubator. The 10-Egg Automatic Incubator is designed for simplicity and efficiency. It features intelligent temperature control and automatic egg turning to ensure consistent hatching conditions. Its compact size makes it easy to place anywhere, while the clear lid allows easy monitoring of the process. Suitable for chicken and duck eggs, it's a great choice for beginners or small-scale users. With stable performance and easy operation, it delivers reliable results without complicated setup. Number 1. Mini 6-Egg Incubator Machine. The Mini 6-Egg Incubator takes the top spot for its simplicity, portability, and ease of use. Designed for beginners and experimental hatching, it offers automatic brooding and basic temperature control. Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces, classrooms, or first-time users. Despite its small capacity, it delivers consistent performance for chicken, duck, and quail eggs. This incubator is an excellent entry-level choice for anyone starting their poultry hatching journey. A reliable egg incubator improves hatch rates and makes the process easier. These top picks offer great features like automatic turning, temperature control, and user-friendly designs. Whether you're a beginner or small-scale farmer, there's a perfect option here. Which one would you choose? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.